everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're at another cemetery way out in the middle of the desert.
Again.
This is probably further from any town that we've been to.
Because I didn't see any houses.
Yeah, there's nothing over here.
There is one little thing off the freeway, some little
It's a gas
restaurant.
station, I think, and a restaurant, yeah.
But other than that, that's it.
Yeah, there's not very many people here. This is maybe an acre. I'm even struggling to say an acre, guys. This might even be a half acre. It's really small. But nobody famous here. We're just here to check it out and to show you guys. I'm pretty sure this has to be the first time this is on YouTube. So I'm going to claim this as one of our discoveries, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Can you read that?
May you always have an angel by your side.
And it doesn't say anything or anybody who it is, huh?
Nope, neither that one or that one.
Yeah.
Maybe it once... No, I don't even think it once did. I think it's just like...
a little poem or saying or something?
No, it's just a design.
Yeah.
But maybe just
Somebody
showing
did write on it,
somebody is there instead of just being a pile of rocks.
Yeah, true. It looks like the same person did a lot of these.
Love is enough.
I love you here, but in my heart, forever, dear.
And like there's no years.
Yeah. Well, I mean, there's some
yeah,
here. Well, look at that one, 2018. I was kind of surprised to see that.
In 1923.
Yeah. There's a really awesome looking headstone, almost like a monument sort of headstone that we will get to and check out. And again, guys, we are in the windy, the very ever windy.
There's one here.
Mohave Desert. So if you guys are hearing a lot of wind, I apologize. No longer by our side, but forever in our hearts.
Let's see. Does this say something? Yep. When my body be in darkness, I will rise in perfect light. I have love of the stars.
Too fondly, it says, too fondly to be fearful of the night.
Kind of eerie.
Yeah.
Homey.
A little cheesy. Mrs. 909 in her flip-flops in prime rattlesnake territory.
Leave me alone.
Look at that.
Look at all those old bottles.
I know. That's pretty cool. Purex. Oh. That don't... Okay, that looked like... I was going to say not again. But it just looks like mud.
Oh, goodness.
And, yeah. Got a railroad spike. So we got Sarah Miles, J. Wade Miles, 1918 to 2018. Wow, 100 years old, possibly 99.
Wow, that's crazy.
Possibly 99.
Yeah, because it doesn't give us the month.
Yeah, 100 years. That's 100 years. If you know, that's 100 calendar years you lived in.
1914
yeah.
to 21.
And look at that. That little thing is pretty cool. We got Yates, 1888 to 1951.
Boots.
Yeah. Wow.
What's that one?
Little Bessie, Leona Yates, Sparks, April 11th, 1911, May 27th, 1996. Yeah. Wow.
Betsy.
Let's we'll check this area out last, guys. It looks like the best part. So of course we'll save the best for last.
What's in here? What do you think?
I'm hoping.
Oh, nothing, but I can't.
It does look like a can though. nothing.
Last time I opened something, it was something I didn't want to see.
Yeah, what surprised you?
Surprised both of us.
Yeah, it did.
Good dude by the gate.
It was distracting for a while, yeah. That kind of, finding those remains kind of took over the video.
Yeah. No names, no tags. But
Yeah.
you know if somebody's buried there because of all the rocks piled, which
Yeah.
is a common thing in all these old cemeteries.
Right, right. There is something, was something on the fence. It's very faded.
Doesn't look like anybody's been out here.
No, it doesn't. In a very long time.
There's this.
You are my angel, my darling, my star, and my love will be with you wherever you are.
A lot of these don't have headstones or dates.
Yeah, I know.
Not like the other
You could
one.
tell it's the same person that's coming out here doing this. It's the same. There's another one. Angel walks in front of you to guide you on your way to light the path home.
In loving arms.
Yeah, we're in loving arms.
You'll lay.
Yeah. Yeah. So, you know, that's probably it's not probably, it is very nice of the person who decided to come out here, and although he can't really mark the graves, but, you know, kind of give some life to it. No pun, well, I guess that wasn't a pun, but. That is definitely seen better days. You guys can pause and read that one. So it doesn't seem like there's anything in this area here. I mean, I'm sure there is. Right?
Maybe, I don't know. Like these are people.
Yeah.
There's 4.
Mm-hmm.
Well, there's more than 4, but.
Pause and read moments, guys. It's almost like being at a museum without the artifacts. I will sleep in peace until you come to me. Look at all these rocks, guys. It's different. Different kinds of stones.
So there's only 5 headstones with something written. No, actually there's 4 headstones with dates and 5 that are actually something.
Right.
So this one's even, I don't want to say cheaper, but.
Just less people here?
Not less, it doesn't even have to do with people, it's just the way their headstones are. So it must have been a cheaper way to bury somebody.
Yeah. Because again, there's supposed to be some ruins around here.
I don't see anything.
I'll have to look them up on the map. We might have passed them or not have come to them yet. But again, guys, we're out in the middle of nowhere.
There's an owl in this tree.
Yeah.
Look at, he's trying to find us.
Yep. That's just to keep all the crows and other birds away.
Wonder if it works.
Yeah, supposedly they do. Now this is...
See, there's no date on this one. Just his husband.
Joseph
Oh,
Reiser.
there is. Okay.
1887 to 1908. So husband must have been the last name, huh? Because he would have been, let's see, 90.
Oh,
he would have been 21.
Name. Reiser.
No, but it says
Reiser.
husband here.
Maybe he was a husband? Hello?
Yeah,
because they get married young.
At 21.
Well, they get married. Back then, they got married super young.
Yeah, I guess.
I guess a lot of girls weren't even out of high
Life expectancy
school.
wasn't as long as it is now, I guess.
So it's probably Joseph Reiser. And he's rising.
Yeah. That's
To think there's a body in there?
I know, right?
Look at.
It's like, did they just set him on top and then encase him with
Cement?
Yeah, look at there's a hole leading to the crypt.
There's almost a hole in the thing right there.
Yeah, right in the side. You just don't want to walk onto the gotta be respectful.
The piles of rocks.
Yeah.
There's one, there's one, there's one, there's one.
Yeah.
This is one of the cheapest cemeteries I think we've been to.
Yeah.
With no headstone, no little plaques, no made up. Like, see how that one's made?
Yeah.
This don't have anything.
Yeah. This is all kind of...
And we've seen older ones where all the headstones are almost all made.
Yeah, and this is mostly like condensed into this one little corner. Yeah. Look at this, you got some volcanic rock. There's all kinds of little rocks around here. Different stuff that you don't just find in your yard. Yeah.
What the heck is
Yeah, that's got to be a bird. I heard that too. Yeah. Looks like they tried to bedazzle it. Is that the word? Like a little bird bath or something. Well, I think that's it for this little cemetery.
Yep.
Pretty cool. What is here?
Interesting.
Yeah, that it is. It's very interesting.
How people used to be buried.
Yeah, well, obviously are still
Yeah,
being
but
buried.
just to see how fancy people have gotten over time with laying somebody to rest compared to in the 1980s, how they used to do it.
I mean, because back in like the cowboy eras, the 1800s, 1700s, people would just be buried where they
die.
Yeah.
If they're driving
if
through.
they passed on the trail, they were buried on the trail.
And we've seen that in Arizona.
Yeah. All right. Well, that's it, guys. That's gonna do it from the Rosalie Cemetery, the very small half-acre cemetery.